A stock that is currently discounted almost 40% from its all-time highs. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about a company that's currently about 40% from its all-time highs. It's a new company on this channel. This company, every time I think about this company, it gives me thoughts because when it first came out, I had purchased about 1,000 shares of this company at about $9. Soon enough, it went up to about $15, and I said, you know what? I'm going to sell these shares here, and I thought I was just taking a good profit. But at the end of the day, this company continued upwards, and it not only did it surpass the $20 mark, it went all the way up to $45. So on this channel, I like to be transparent. I like to give you guys advice as well. It's happened to me. Make sure it doesn't happen to you. Maybe it's happened to you before as well. But sometimes we get excited by the short-term profits and we lose out big on the long-term profit. So that's just a tip from myself to you. If you're in a situation right now where you have a stock and you got it fairly cheap and you're thinking about taking a profit or holding the stock, since then I've always recommended to keep some of the shares and sell some of the shares. So the way I do it is usually if I get 100 shares, I'll probably keep 20 of the shares and I'll sell 80, and I'll continue to build my position that way. Okay, that's just a simple example, but that's a way where you can also take profits on a stock, because I always suggest taking profits as well. Sometimes you wait on the stock and it goes all the way up and then it comes all the way crashing down and then you lose out on those profits, but that's just a suggestion. The name of this company is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, and I finally got back into the company around I think it was $22 or so a while back, and currently we're experiencing a downtrend on the company. But I think it serves as a buying opportunity for those that are interested in a futuristic data / security company. The way I would best describe this company is an operating system for the modern enterprise. That's the way the CEO describes it, okay? And in our terms, basically the way we're at right now is that we're entering a time where data is being processed, and I like to connect the dots, okay, and forward think a little bit and see how these companies that we invest in today, how we can utilize these companies and invest in them early and go ahead and benefit at the end. So the way I see things moving along in the next 10, 20, 30 years is that right now I think the most important or the most expensive thing in this world is data, is information. I'll give you a simple example. We're always on Twitter, we're always on YouTube because we're trying to connect as much data as possible to be able to determine what's the next big move, for example, in the stock market. So if information is the most important thing right now, or the most expensive thing, because we're in a digital world, so information travels data, I would see and I would assume this company to do fairly well in the future. So Palantir Technologies, just to break it down real simple, is that they get all this data, all this information, these millions and billions pieces of information, and they simplify it to the form that humans like me and you can grab this information and make use of it. So there's so much information out there that it simplifies all the information, makes it simple for us as humans to be able to get this information, process it, and then make decisions based off the information. I want to show you a clip on this company CEO. It's a real short clip, but I want you to stick around so we can see this clip. It's going to be about 1 minute long, but he's going to better describe the way he thinks, or the way his company is all about. Here you go.
Why don't you just give us an overview of where Palantir is today? I mean, you obviously have expanded well beyond that intelligence work.
Well, we built Palantir starting in 2004 to supply the U.S. intelligence community with world-class software platforms. And we built one called PG, which now powers a lot of the Western world, both inside the U.S. and outside of the U.S., most notably in Europe. And that allows intelligence, defense, and police officials to more accurately track data, the provenance of data, and the people they're interested in tracking in accordance with the law. And subsequently, we built platforms for special operators and in the more kind of data aggregation space. And so Palantir went from being what you could see as a niche player for the intelligence community, highly classified intelligence community, to what you could call the platform upon which data analytics are done inside and outside the U.S. in the course of 10 years.
So guys, Palantir Technologies was used to be just mainly focused on government contracts and stuff, but as of late they've opened up more contracts with, you know, different businesses. BP, British Petroleum, there's all kinds of different businesses as of late, and you can do your own research on this, guys. I'm just giving you my information that I got for you, okay? Do your own research, investigate more into it, and if this makes sense for you, then you can go ahead and invest in this company. However, I think this company is going to be a real game changer. I think right now, best of all, is a great opportunity to invest in this company. Now, there is something key, okay? There is going to be a lockup period that I think expires either tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday, one of these 2 days. So there might be a little bit more of a dip. But this dip, like I say, if you follow us on Twitter, buy the dips, sell the rips, guys, okay? Don't get scared when shit goes on special, okay? Don't get scared when prices drop. Act as if you're shopping and you just got a 25% discount or a 50% discount. In this case, it's a 40% discount off the all-time highs, okay? So act as if. I want to look at the chart real quick. And if we go back to January 21st, this stock was at $25.97, okay? This stock went from $25.97 all the way up to about $43, $44, okay? After that, it had a downturn and it came all the way back down. Currently, it's trading at $26.93. I think this stock has a huge support here around the $25 level. I think it might or might not reach the $25 level. I've been buying this stock again from 29 on down. So I bought it at 29, I bought it at 28, I'm buying it at 27. If it goes to 26, I'm buying it at 26, and if it goes to 25, I'm gonna buy more at 25. Okay? Don't get scared, guys. This is a long-term hold, okay? I really see big things for this company. You're getting it at a discounted price. You're gonna do real well with this company if you plan on holding for the long term. I like to do comparisons. So the comparison that I'm going to make to this company and to a very similar company in the same sector, and I want you to, that way it can give you an idea of where this company can go, okay? I think that this company is being slept on right now, and I think you guys have a great opportunity. But the company that I can mostly compare this company to is a company by the name of Snowflake. Involved in the data business. It's a data business, information, Snowflake. It's not identical, but it's very similar. And look at its price, okay? Look at its price. Go back to Palantir and look at this price. Look at the big difference, guys. We have a great opportunity to make money here. Anytime you see a big rainbow like this, you see this? I call this the rainbow. You see that? You start at the bottom here, you go all the way up, you come back down, and you're pretty much at the same bottom as a month ago. So you're getting prices from January 21st on basically February 21st. A month ago, you're getting the same prices. They went all the way up and then it came all the way down. It's a big rainbow. Okay, guys, so it doesn't mean that it can't go any further. It can go down further, but I think at this point it's already oversold a bit. Okay, I think it's gonna find its bottom somewhere near here, and then from there take off back up. With that, guys, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just want to give you information about a stock that I think has tremendous potential. Okay, Palantir Technologies, look into it. And with that, please, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell, because that notification bell, when you hit it, make sure you press all notifications. That way, anytime we release a video, you guys get it. As well, last but not least, I keep mentioning this. Go ahead, follow us on @InvestingOG on Twitter. We make calls on there. We give upgrades. We give downgrades on stocks early in the morning. Makes all the difference in the world. We just did a play on EH, which was about 80% down from its all-time high, and we made pretty good money on that. But with that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.